I'm going to show you how to freeze homemade ice cream without an ice cream maker that turns out creamy every time. To do this, first you're going to transfer your ice cream mixture to a freezer-proof vessel, then cover it and place it in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you're going to just whip this on medium speed with a hand mixer. Then again cover and place in the freezer for another 2 hours. And again you're going to repeat whipping this with a hand mixer. Essentially what you're just doing is breaking all the ice crystals as the ice cream is freezing. This is what any ice cream maker usually does. Now this is after 6 hours, and as you can see the ice cream is almost freezing, and you're going to freeze this for another 2 hours. And now that's a grand total of 8 hours. Now as I'm whipping, you can see that the ice crystals are breaking and the ice cream is quite thick and almost frozen. At this point, you can mix in any mix-ins if you do want to add them in. And then you're going to transfer this to your ice cream container. And then cover and freeze for another 3 to 4 hours or overnight. And you can scoop your ice cream and enjoy. As you can see, the ice cream is quite scoopable and there are no ice crystals that would have formed if you would have just frozen it. This is a really good trick to freeze your ice cream if you do not have an ice cream maker. It does take a little more time and effort, but it is so worth it, and the end result is perfect. If you want the recipe for this mango ice cream, I have it linked down in the video description, or you can just find it on my channel, and I do have many other ice cream recipes that you can try as well. Do subscribe for more videos from me, and I'll see you soon. Bye!